In today's Shopify tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change the product price on Shopify. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, you want to go over to myshopify.com/admin and log in into your store or website. Once you've done that, simply go over to products and now hit the product you have or click on the product you would like to change the price for. Click on it like I said and you'll then be sent over to this page. Now what you want to do is to simply go over to pricing and change the price. Is it really that simple? Yes, it is. You can also use a compare at price to add a discount to the product, and if you'd like to add cost per item, this won't be visible for customers. You can do that right here for a better calculation of profits. Now simply hit save, and when you go over to your Shopify store, you'll see that right now we have successfully updated the price of our Shopify product. Alright, for whatever reason it doesn't show up yet, however that's probably because I haven't properly set up my website, but that's in short how to change the pricing of a Shopify product. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like and also consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials about how to do things on your Shopify website.